What's going on? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be taking on the task of making my truck insanely fucking loud. This thing is basically going to shoot flames, hopefully. That's the goal, at least in the end. But right now I'm going to be waiting a little bit. Jake is off doing his own thing. He's getting his license or something. I have physical therapy in a little bit. After physical therapy, me and Jake, I'm going to pick him up. We're going to head over to Harbor Freight. We're going to be picking up a welder. Obviously, Harbor Freight tools, not the best tools, but a welder's a welder. I don't really care. I have a Sawzall upstairs. Once we get back, chop the cats. Gonna put in spark plug defowlers for now. We're gonna weld in just a pipe for the time being, for probably the next day or two, maybe. We're gonna just run catless. I have the other two cats sitting in that box right there. But yeah, that's gonna be done a couple days. Jake's gonna get his exhaust done tomorrow morning, so you may get 2 videos this weekend. It may just be 1. It depends on how much we end up filming today and a mixture of tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm going to try to get enough footage for 2 videos, but we'll see what happens. So I'll be back once I have Jake in the car with me and we're on our way to Harbor Freight. All right, we just got back home from Harbor Freight. We went and picked up our welder and some other stuff. Jake's pulling in back here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you guys a sound clip of what this sounds like before we cut these cats off and then what it's going to sound like afterwards, because it's going to be a pretty drastic difference. So I'll have you set you guys up down here. And I'll put you guys right above the exhaust tip here. Just aim it up at the sky and we'll get a couple reps in here. Jake says he's got a drinking problem, but we're under here with the Sawzall on the light. There's the suspect right there. That's going to get yacked out of here real quick. I'm going to go ahead and cut the top of her up there. And I'm going to cut the bottom of her right there. And then she's going to fall out. After I hit a bump, of course, because I'm not cutting it. I'm going to make a quick trip to Mexico. We'll be back. We ran into a little bit of a problem. We could not get the top of the cat to actually be cut. So we're undoing the downpipe bolt that I've actually been spraying for a couple days. So it's actually pretty loose. There's one bolt. So he got one off now. We're probably going to hack it, and then we'll come back and take off the other one. All right, we already hacked one off here. Jake did a pretty solid job, actually. Got it done pretty quick there.
One beer down.
Yeah, we're already a beer in. We've been here for like 20 minutes. So, yeah, he's going to go ahead and hack the other one. I just broke the other bolts loose for him. He's going to finish that. Then we're going to start her up with open heads and see how loud she is. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. Today I'm going to show y'all how to get your truck real loud. First step, get yourself a beer. Second step, get yourself a Sawzall. Step, I forgot what step, but kick it, son bitch.
You doing TikTok?
Yes.
You gotta say step 6.
Step 6, start the bitch. So Jake had fun building his exhaust over here. There's my cat. We're at O'Reilly's.
It ain't pretty, but it'll work.
If it works, that's all that matters. How well you guys can hear me right now, because the generator is running. The generator is running because Jake is in there welding right now, actually. You'll see there's a camera set up in there, so you'll be able to see him welding from that perspective. But yeah, I'm out here because I obviously don't have a mask or anything to look at it, and I just don't want to stand in there while he's messing with that. So he's tacking together some tubes and stuff so we can attach to the downpipe, and I guess we'll see what ends up happening. He hasn't welded in a while. I could see lights coming out from under the garage, so he's getting to work. Yeah, so I guess I'll cut to the clip of him welding in there, and then we'll come back.
Day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams, they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's. No time.
Jake's first welds are done here. I threw a coat of black paint on it just so they don't rust. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw another coat down on here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to fit it up in there just so it's ready for him to try to weld that in there. Just say, guys, if this thing ends up working, it'll be a goddamn miracle. Cause we're kind of fabbing it up with a SpaghettiOs can right now. I'll explain more once I can show you guys, but it's exactly how it sounds. So Jake's out there welding it right now, so I'm looking for a longer can, and maybe I'll go out there and show you. Jake the welder.
Going and switching it up, rocking with the people who been following me when I never thought it would have happened and I never got love. Now they want to piggyback on everything I got. I never knew one from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away, find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole crew in a wraith. Came a long way from that minimum wage. Funny how money be...
I'm not sure how well you guys can hear me right now, but Jake's under there trying to fab up this side at least, because this other side's pretty far off, so I'm gonna try to figure out something to do with that in the meantime. But right now he's gonna work on that, and then he's got to get out of here, and then I'm gonna try to figure out that side, and we'll see what I come up with. He's been welding at this thing for a little while, so I'm not sure what it looks like in there, but he's going at it. So I'll show you guys the final result once he takes off. All right, guys, we're gonna climb under here and check out his weld. It ain't gonna be pretty because I told him to just make it work. So it's on there. Hopefully it goes back. I'm gonna unclamp this here, and I'm gonna try to figure out something to do with this other side. So I'll take you over there. Here's the other side. That's what we're working with the jack there. I gotta try to figure out how to get those a little bit closer, because then they can be clamped together. But I don't know, right now it's not looking too good. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here, so I'm gonna try to figure something out here. All right, y'all, so here's my problem. This bend is not drastic enough for what I need. It needs to come like here and like go like that more. So I'm gonna try to heat this and bang it over and see if I can get it to move a little bit, and hopefully I can. Or I'm gonna go and take it with the jack and I'm gonna press it up against something and see if I can get it to bend a little bit. Because if I can do that, even if I warp the pipe a little bit, like you see I already did a little bit here, it don't matter, it'll work. So I'm gonna see what I can do and see if I can bend this just a little bit more, because it's just an inch or two off. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Stands right now. One side of the exhaust is done, I think. I have not started it, so I don't know what it sounds like. I don't know if there's exhaust leaks. I don't know if there's any problems on this side. This side was the closer one, but the driver's side, we got it a little bit closer. I might be able to fab something up, but for today, because Jake had to go off to work, basically I'm gonna leave it as it is. It's just gonna dump off right under the driver's seat still. That will get fixed probably tomorrow morning. We're gonna try to fab something up there. So you guys are probably gonna get a third video from this weekend. So that'll be, you know, good content. I'll get to editing these videos pretty soon. I don't have baseball this next week, so I'll be able to get stuff done. So yeah, with that being said, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like down below, subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys all in the next episode. Peace.